Hi there everyone, today I'm gonna be using Madame Glam gels and I'm gonna start by trying the crackle eyes look with the plastic wrap. For this I added some top coat underneath the nail and I wrinkled the plastic wrap around a little bit and cured it for 30 seconds. And here are all the nails after I did a plastic wrap underneath with a top coat. I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit with the file and pull in some extra pieces that are sticking out. And I'm going to apply another layer of the top coat. Now I'm just mixing some of the blue color with space gel and trying to make a jelly color, and I'm gonna add as well some glitter. I purchased this one at a craft store and I think trying to make a little opening to pour some glitter into the color. Too much came out of the package right here, no! And now I will have to deal with it. I'm gonna be creating like an ombre look to see if it still will be able to show the crackle design that I created with the plastic wrap. I'm starting the nail art for today, and right now I'm creating a big snowflake in the middle of the nail. I'm doing this new technique with the dotting tool. It seems to be easier and the snowflakes come out really cute. I think the part I enjoy the most about nails is the nail art part, and I'm not very good at building nails yet, but I'm trying to learn some more. So right now I'm just gonna let the rest of the video play out, and I hope you enjoyed this video today. final result, everyone. These nails came out really cute today. I hope you enjoyed this video and the Christmas music as well, and I'll see you on the next one.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all